there friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Cloud Mario, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first let's get started further towards the top. In the center we're going to draw in a nice big sideways oval for the nose. Let's draw in the eyes now. So on the bottom we're going to draw in a slight curved line, tucking that up on each side. Stepping in from the center, coming across. On the left-hand side, we're going to arch this line through now, rounding that out, tucking that back down and into that corner. Now let's step across on the right-hand side, leaving a gap, and we're just going to arch this over and through on the side. Let's come in towards the middle. From the top here for the eyeball, we're just going to curve this around and in on each side. Moving in for the pupil, stepping down, leaving a gap, curving this line around again, tucking that into the nose. Finally, we're just going to add the highlights. So for that, we're just going to draw in a small oval right on the top. And then now let's just color in the pupil black. Let's draw on the eyebrow here. So stepping up, we're just going to curve this line up and over. We'll do the exact same thing on the top right. Now on the top of this, we're just going to curve this line around and down to the side. Let's move down, drawing in the mustache. So leaving a small gap from the eye, we're just going to curve this out on a diagonal. Now from that point, we're going to round that out, tucking that in to the middle. Curving this across, further through to the center. And now one last time to the middle. So we're just going to curve this around and up right to the center. And then finally for the last one, curving that over, connecting that together. Let's draw on an arch line underneath for the mouth. And then we'll curve that through in the opposite direction. Let's draw the chin underneath with an arch line here. Let's come up now. We'll frame in the front of the hat. So between each of the eyebrows, curving that through. We'll continue to extend that down on a diagonal on each side, drawing that at an even size. Let's round this out now. So from that point, we're going to curve this over and into the middle. And then again, from that point right in the center, curving this around, tucking that down, connecting that together. Now to the left, we're going to arch this line down, over to the mustache, tucking that through. Replicating that on the right. Now dropping underneath, again, just curving that further through, connecting that to that point on the top. And if it's easier, you can start from the point and then curve that around and in. Let's close off the cheeks here. So we're going to round that out, curving that over and through to the chin. Let's step across now. We're going to draw in a half circle on each side for the ear. Moving through to the top, curving that across again. And then as we come underneath, arching that around and in, creating a small half circle. We're going to draw in Mario's symbol in the middle here now. So we'll draw in the letter M in the middle first. So we're basically on the top here from the center, just going to draw in two diagonal lines coming out, ending those at the same height. And now from that point, we're going to drag these diagonal lines down, leaving a gap. We're going to come down, drawing in the letter M again. So from that point in the middle, drawing two diagonal lines coming across. And then again, just dragging these diagonal lines out. And then we'll close this off on the bottom with another diagonal line. We're going to draw in a nice big circle around this. So just continuing to curve this over, tucking that down on the right. Now let's draw in Mario's hat. So over on the left-hand side, we're going to arch this line all the way around and down on the right, ending that at the same height. Now on each side, so on the left-hand side, we're going to curve that over and in. We'll do the exact same thing on the right-hand side as well. Now finally, from that point, just curving this over and into the ear. Let's come underneath now, underneath the chin, drawing in another curved line, just following that shape. Round this out to the cheek on each side. Let's draw on the overall straps here. So on each side, just a straight line that comes down, ending that at the same height. Now we're going to round this out, curving this over, tugging that back up on the side. Now in the middle, let's draw in a circle for the button. Let's draw in the torso now. So on the left-hand side, stepping across, curving this line down. And we're just going to end that at the same height. Closing off the overalls in the middle, arching this across. And then on each side, we're just going to curve that down on a diagonal. Let's step in and round the knee out now. So from this line, we're just going to curve this line over to the center. And then continuing to round the side of the leg out, just curving that through to the bottom. Now let's step across, lining that up at the same height, curving that through, just leaving a small gap. And we'll close this off in the middle with a slight curved line. Now for the foot, let's step down. We're going to draw in a nice big arch line, curving this all the way around and down. And then we'll line that up at the exact same height on the left-hand side, replicating that. On the bottom, we're going to close that off with a curved line. And then stepping up for the sole of the shoe, we'll just replicate that again. Let's come out to the left-hand side now for this left arm. And we're going to start underneath the ear here, drawing in an oval, connecting that into the cheek. Let's close off the hand underneath. So we're just going to curve that over and through to the center. From that point in the center now, we're going to curve this around, arching this all the way over and through to our ear. Let's draw in the fingers now. So leaving a small gap, we're just going to draw in the letter U on a diagonal. Let's connect this into the thumb, and then we'll continue to arch this up and around to the top. Let's close off the wrist here. So we're just going to arch this around, tucking this through and in to the left. And now for the arm, we're just going to curve this down on a diagonal to the torso. Let's step across. For the right arm, we're going to bring this line down on a diagonal, arching that in to the leg. For the wrist, we're going to curve this over, tucking that back up. Now for the thumb, let's arch this around, curving that in. Let's add a small corner bracket on the top. For the first finger, rounding that out, tucking that through. In the center, continuing that, arching that up. And then one last time for the pinky here, curving that into the wrist. Lastly, we just have to add in the cloud that Mario is sitting on. So dropping down to the bottom of our page, we're just going to draw in an arch line right in the center. To the left of this, we're going to continue to curve that over and up. We'll do the exact same thing on the right. Now on the left-hand side, rounding that out, we're going to curve this over and in. And then on the right-hand side again, curving that over and into the hand. And then one last time, pulling this through on the back, just curving that into the torso there. And that is it. That's how you draw Cloud Mario. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. And also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.